Okay, so now let's keep moving with map compilation, and I just want to get the layers onto here. Looking at this, so I'm going to start with let's grab the land and throw the land on there. So I'm going to go into the folder. I'm after the shapefile, and I'm just going to throw it on. And now I'm going to zoom in a little bit and just point out one thing real quick. This line here is, I believe, an artifact. If you remember how the data, because it's stored in a WGS 84 Plat Carré, Antarctica has this kind of baseline to it. And by projecting it on an azimuthal, we've kind of wrapped that baseline around. And so this thing is an artifact that will have to clean up in Illustrator. So then the ice shelves, let's do. I got the two ice shelves here. So I'm going to grab the polys, not the lines. I think the polys will be enough. There are the ice shelves. What else do we have here? We've got the Antarctic Circle. And so if I go to geographic lines, I'm going to throw that shapefile on, and there's the Antarctic Circle. I want to throw the graticule because I think this line here I think is the 60th uh, parallel, and so if I grab the shape and throw it on, there's the circle. We have a lot of extra lines here because I don't need the lines of longitude. I just need this 60 line, but we're gonna throw them on there for now. And then what else do we need? Uh, from I think that's all we need from natural Earth, right? And so let's look at what's in the starts data. Here what I'm going to do is say all of this data are on the main map, right? But the smaller inset map is going to be composed of different data. So just to get organized, I'm going to highlight all the later layers that we've done so far, and then click on, so I just clicked on the top one, held shift down, clicked on the bottom one, and then I'm going to say add group, and this is going to be the main map. And then what I want to do is add another group, and sometimes that's going to be in here. So I'm just going to click and drag that up as best I can, get it out of that main group. You're just going to be this stubborn. Can't you please just go up there? There it is. And this is going to be and then you have to right click to rename it. And I'm going to say rename the group, and this is like both maps. And the idea is that these stations are going to appear on both maps. So I'm going to put the station data just into that folder. Is that fair? And hopefully it'll make sense in a little bit. But these dots now should be representing these dots. Um, yeah, we'll work with that. And then we need to add, I'm going to add yet another group, and now it's probably going to be hidden in there. It always hides these things. And then this is going to be, if I right click and rename it, this is going to be the inset map. And then I'm going to add this coastline to that, so which is the more detailed coastline that we're going to use for the inset map, but probably not the main map. Is that okay? So that's our data, and okay. And am I missing anything? I don't think I'm missing anything. I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to move on.